Hey, what's up guys? It's Pedro here from newcoder.com, and in this tutorial we're going to be talking about the do-while loop. Now, I'm going to assume that you are familiar with the for and while loop, and the only difference between the do-while loop and the other loops is that the do-while loop is guaranteed to execute at least once, while the while and for loop is not guaranteed to execute. So, to get started, let's create a variable called I, assign it the value of 0, and now we're going to say do curly braces, and this is where we're going to put the code. So I'm going to print out hello world onto the console, let's say 3 times. So I'm just going to say hello world, end it with a semicolon, and now here I will put while parentheses and the condition that you want to test. So I'm going to say while I is less than 3. End it with a semicolon. And let's not forget to increment I. So I'm going to say I++. If we don't increment I, this loop is going to run forever because I is always going to be 0 and 0 is always going to be less than 3. So let's hit Control S to save. Control B. Right click. Review and Explorer, double click, F12, and you can see that we get an output of hello world 3 times. Now let's head back to our editor. So I'm going to hit Control B, and this really doesn't differentiate ourselves from the for loop or a while loop. So what's different about the do while loop? So the difference comes here. If I was to initialize the value of I to 5, right? Control S to save. Obviously, this condition is going to evaluate to false because 5 is not less than 3. But look what happens. Let's head over to Chrome. Let's hit refresh. And you can see that we get a printout of hello world, but just one time. So what's happening? Let's go back to our editor. It's because the do while loop says, hey, you must execute this block of code at least once. It says, hey, don't check to see if this condition is true. That's irrelevant. I want you to do this at least once and then check if this condition is true. So what happened here was it executed this code once, then it checked, hey, is 5 less than 3? No. That evaluates the false. Kick us out of the do while loop. So that's pretty much the difference between a do while loop and a for and while loop, is that you're pretty much guaranteed to execute the code at least once.